Last summer, we drug these two 10,000 gallon water storage tanks up to the spot. So right now I'm gonna dig it out, compact it in, bring material out to the edge. It's gonna be 30 by 15 wide pad or deep, whatever you wanna call it.